Good morning, students. So in previous class we discussed some examples. Now exercise comparing quantities and proportion. Exercise 5.2. First question. In the year 2012, it was estimated there were 36.4 crores internet users worldwide. In the year, in the next 10 years, that number will be increased by 125%. Estimate the number of internet users worldwide in 2022, next 10 years. Okay, how to do this sum? Number of internet users in 2012 is equal to 36.4 crores. So increasing percent, increasing value 125%. So increasing users, only increasing users, 36.4 into 125 by 100. 25 table. 25 5s are 25 4s are. 4 here 9.1 time. 5 plus 45. 45.5 crores. Only increasing. Okay. Now number of internet users in 2022 is equal to 36.4 plus 45.5, 9. So 81, total 81.9 crores. So in 2022, how many internet users are there? 81.9 crores internet users are there. So like that you have to do this problem. And next see the second sum. A owner increases the rent of his house by 5% at the end of each year. If currently its rent is rupees 2,500 per month, how much will be the rent after 2 years. After 2 years. So here every year he was increased by 5%. So solution, current rent per month is rupees 2500 per month. So current rent per year. So 1 month 2500, 1 year means 2500 into 12, because 12 months are there in a year, no? So 30,000. So per year 30,000. For this year 5% will be increased. So how much will be the rent after 2 years? So rent increased in 2 years. How to find? 30,000 into 5 by 100. 2 years, no? You have to multiply with the 2. So 2 zeros cancel. 2 into 5, 10. 10 into 300, 3,000. So 2 years, how much the rent will be increased? 3,000. So rent after 2 years is equal to, present is 30,000, no? Plus you can add 3,000, then 33,000. So after 2 years he has to pay 33,000 per month. Okay, after 2 years. So like that you have to do this problem. Now we'll see the third sum. Now we'll see the third sum. On Monday, the value of a company's share was rupees 7 rupees 50 paise. The price increased by 6% on Tuesday, decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday. And decreased by 2% on Thursday. Find the value of share when trade opened on Friday. So one day is increasing, one day is decreasing, like that the share will be increased. Okay. So first of all, the value of each share will be rupees 7 on Monday. On Monday is rupees 7 rupees 55 paise. So the value of share on Tuesday. How to find? Tuesday increasing, no? 7 rupees 50 paise plus. So increasing, no? Plus you can keep 7 rupees 50 paise. How much is increasing here? 6%. 6 by 100. Okay. Now you can simplify this one. What will you get? First you have to multiply 7 rupees 50 paise. 6 into this one, 0, 45. So 45 by 100, rupees 0.45. So 45% is increasing. So then it becomes 7 rupees 95 paise. So on Tuesday it becomes 7 rupees 95 paise. Again I am writing, but when you are writing in your notes, don't keep this details. You have to write full. On Wednesday, I have to write Wednesday what happened? Tuesday decreased by 1.5% on Wednesday. So this one you can keep 7 rupees 95 paise. Decrease now minus 7 rupees 95 paise into how much is decreasing? 1.5 by 100. So first you have to multiply these two. 795 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 59s are 135. 135, 142. 15 7s are 105, 119. So how many decimal places are there? 3 decimal places by 100. So if you divide this one, you will get 0.11925. Third decimal is more than 5, you can add 1 to this one. So approximately 7.95 minus 0.12. So subtract here 7.83. So here you will get share value on Wednesday is 7 rupees 83 paise. Again, Thursday what happened? 2% is increasing. So now you can see on Thursday 7.83. Again it is increasing now, 2% decreasing, again decreasing. Decreasing means minus 8.83 into 2 by 100. That is 7.83 into 2. 15 by 100. That is 0.1566. 0.16. So 7.83 minus 0.16. So if you subtract decreasing now, what will you get? 7.83 minus 0.16. 7, 6, 7. Rupees 7, 6, 7. So on Thursday, the share will becomes 7 rupees 67. It will be on for Friday also same like that one. So the share value on Friday will be rupees 7 rupees 67 paise. So like that you have to do this problem. Okay. This is third one. Now we'll see one more sum. That is the fourth one. With most of the Xerox machines, you can reduce or enlarge your original by entering percentage for the copy. Reshma wanted to enlarge a 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters drawing. She set the Xerox machine for 150% and copied her drawing. What will be the dimensions of the copy of the drawing be? So it is a lengthy question. I am not writing on that one. Here fourth one you have to write. The Reshma wanted to enlarge a 2 centimeter by 4 centimeters drawing. So the measurements of Reshma's drawing 2 centimeter into 4 centimeters. 2 centimeters by 4 centimeters. She said the 150%. So 150% of the copy drawing. What will be the dimensions of the copy of the drawing? So for example, here the drawing is like a portrait page. So here length, here width is 2 centimeters, length will be 4 centimeters. So increasing, enlarging percentage, that is 150 centimeters. So increasing width, increasing width. So here width is 2 now, 2 plus increasing now 150 by 100, 0 0 cancel, 2 5s are 3, 2 plus 3 5 centimeters. So if you 150% increasing, the width becomes 2 to 5 centimeters. Increasing height, actual height 4, so 4 into again 150% by 100, 0 0 cancel, okay, that is 4 plus 4 15s, 60 by 10, 0 0 cancel, 4 plus 6 10 centimeters. So the 4 centimeters becomes 10 centimeters. So the dimensions of the enlarged drawing is first here 5 centimeters by 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters by 10 centimeters. So like that you have to do this problem. Okay students, so remaining problems we will discuss in the next class. Thank you.